Massive supply chain leaks directly from the heart of Apple's manufacturing. Partners have just completely exposed the upcoming Apple Watch Ultra 4. This is not just another incremental update with a new color option or a minor battery tweak. This is the first total ground-up redesign since the Ultra lineup first shattered the wearable market. Today, we are pulling back the curtain on Apple's most ambitious wearable project to date. We are diving deep into the verified engineering leaks, the massive internal component overhauls, and a breakthrough design choice that changes the physical look and capabilities of this watch forever. If you have been feeling like the smartwatch industry has hit a massive innovation wall, the details leaking out about the Ultra 4 are about to prove you completely wrong. Let's start with the most striking change, which is the physical identity crisis Apple is finally addressing. For the last few generations, the Ultra has looked identical. Unless you opted for the dark titanium finish, it was almost impossible for anyone to tell if you were wearing the original model, the Ultra 2 or the Ultra 3. But the Ultra 4 changes that entirely. Supply chain tracking documents indicate a massive 15% reduction in case thickness. If you have ever worn an Ultra, you know that while it is an absolute tank of a device, it is also undeniably bulky. It catches on jacket sleeves, feels heavy during long runs, and can be awkward to wear to bed for sleep tracking. Apple has managed to shave down the chassis significantly, giving it a much sleeker, more aerodynamic profile, while maintaining that distinct, aggressive, rugged aesthetic. The flat sapphire crystal front glass and the prominent aerospace-grade titanium bezel protect the screen just like before, but the overall footprint on your wrist is going to feel entirely different. This thinner profile is a massive engineering feat because, typically, a thinner chassis means sacrificing internal space, which usually leads to worse battery endurance. But Apple has a massive trick up their sleeve to prevent that from happening. That trick lies directly within the brand-new display architecture. For over a year, rumors have circulated about Apple's secret development of micro-LED technology. While some supply chain analysts thought it was delayed, recent manufacturing orders from Apple's primary display suppliers show a massive push for a next-generation panel destined explicitly for the Ultra 4. Micro-LED is the holy grail of display technology. It eliminates the organic compounds found in traditional OLED panels, meaning it can achieve blinding peak brightness levels well beyond the current limits without any risk of screen burn-in. Imagine being out in the brightest, harshest, direct sunlight in the middle of a desert or high up on a mountain peak, and your watch display looks as clear and vibrant as if you were sitting in a dark room. But more importantly, micro-LED consumes a fraction of the power that current LTPO3 OLED panels use. By switching to this display technology, Apple is able to downsize the physical depth of the watch while maintaining and potentially even exceeding the current 3-day battery life limits. But the real shockwave across the tech industry isn't just how the Ultra 4 looks from the front. It is what is happening on the very back of the device. Supply chain leaks from assembly lines show that Apple has completely redesigned the rear ceramic and sapphire crystal sensor cluster. They are literally doubling the number of health sensors on the back of the watch, moving to a highly sophisticated 8-sensor ring architecture. This is where the Ultra 4 transforms from a premium sports watch into an absolute medical powerhouse on your wrist. The headline feature for this new 8-sensor array is the long-awaited introduction of wrist-based blood pressure monitoring. According to internal software leaks and hardware patents, this system is engineered as a proactive vascular health notification system. Instead of requiring an uncomfortable inflating cuff, the Ultra 4's optical sensor array constantly measures the pulse wave arrival time through your blood vessels. If the watch detects patterns that indicate elevated blood pressure or spikes in hypertension, it instantly alerts you so you can take proper medical measurements. And the medical breakthroughs do not stop there. That same 8-sensor ring architecture is laying the concrete hardware foundation for the absolute holy grail of wearable technology, non-invasive blood glucose monitoring. Apple has had a secret engineering group working on this for over a decade, and the Ultra 4 is rumored to feature the very first preventative version of this technology. It won't give you a precise milligram per deciliter reading like an invasive, skin-piercing continuous glucose monitor just yet, but it is designed to track glucose trends and alert users if they are entering pre-diabetic thresholds or experiencing dangerous glycemic spikes after meals. To handle this massive influx of biometric data, Apple is introducing the all-new S12 silicon chip. This processor isn't built for raw, superficial speed upgrades. Let's be honest, the current Ultra models are already incredibly fast and smooth. Instead, the S12 chip is built on a highly advanced 3-nanometer manufacturing process focused entirely on extreme thermal efficiency and on-device artificial intelligence processing. This chip is the hardware engine behind the next massive evolution of Apple Intelligence built directly into watchOS. The Ultra 4 will utilize this local AI processing to run a highly predictive health and fitness ecosystem. Instead of just tracking your metrics after a workout, the watch will actively monitor your heart rate variability, sleep quality, and daily exertion to predict your physical needs before you even realize them. Even the security architecture is getting a highly rumored overhaul. Internal system files suggest that Apple has successfully integrated a capacitive Touch ID sensor directly into either the recessed side button or the top of the rotating digital crown. While some leaks suggest Apple debated holding this feature back to maximize space, the latest prototype leaks show it fully integrated. This means no more typing in an annoying 4-digit PIN on a tiny screen every single time you put the watch back on your wrist. When it comes to pricing and release schedules, Apple is sticking to its highly predictable clockwork timeline. We fully expect Apple to unveil the Apple Watch Ultra 4 in early September, alongside the upcoming flagship smartphone lineup. Pre-orders will launch just days after the keynote event, with the official global market release hitting shelves in late September. Now, because of the massive jump to costly micro-LED display technology and the incredibly complex 8-sensor hardware array, industry insiders are warning that we might finally see a slight price adjustment. While Apple has kept the Ultra series stable at $799 since its inception, the sheer amount of cutting-edge tech packed into this redesign could push the starting price slightly higher for the premium international markets. But considering you are getting a complete physical redesign, double the health tracking capabilities, an indestructible luxury build, and revolutionary display technology, the value proposition is higher than it has ever been. The upcoming Apple Watch Ultra 4 is shaping up to be an absolute masterpiece of engineering that bridges the gap between rugged utility and predictive healthcare. It completely redefines what a premium wearable can do. The real question is whether you should jump on the current retail discounts for the older models right now or hold out for just a few more months to get your hands on this historic redesign. If you want to stay ahead of the absolute cutting edge of the tech world, make sure to hit that subscribe button to Tap Tech, turn on all your notifications, and drop a comment below letting me know which feature you are most excited for. We will see you in the next video.